Hello friends, so I'm going to talk a bit about what is happening and link it to Revelation chapter number 9. So as you can see on the screen, fifth angel sounded, I saw a star fall from heaven onto the earth, and he was given the key to the bottomless pit. Now the star which fell from heaven onto the earth, it could be comet Atlas, which broke up into pieces, or it could be comet Swan, and also the host of meteorites which have been seen in the last 1.5 years. And he opened the bottomless pit, and there arose a smoke out of the pit as the smoke of a great furnace, and the sun and the air were darkened. Now sun here means soul. Okay, there came out of the smoke locust upon the earth, and unto them was given power as the scorpions of the earth have power. Now here it is not the locust that we understand. It's not the locust which came from Arabia to India or anything like that. This locust is injections, vaccines, viruses, and all that. It was commanded them they should not hurt the grass of the earth, nor any green thing. So not the grass of the earth, nor any green thing. What it means, maybe vegan, vegetarians and all that, any tree, but only those men which have not the seal of God in their foreheads. So the third eye. And to them it was given, they should not kill them, but they should be tormented for 5 months. And the torment was as torment of a scorpion when he striketh a man. Okay. And in those days, men shall seek death and shall not find it, and shall desire to die, and death shall flee from them. Shapes of the locust were like horses prepared unto the battle. Heads were like crowns like gold, and their faces were faces of men. So let me show. See, this does look like this. See, these are the two ears of the horse. Now, maybe John, when he saw this vision, he would have thought that it looks like a horse. Okay. Locusts were like unto horses prepared for battle. Okay. So the immune system, of course, it has its own B cells and T cells, which actually help and protect the body. But by preparing this, especially the genetically modified things, they want to actually attack the heart, because what does the thymus do? The thymus actually prepares the T cells. The T cells are part of the adaptive immunity. Adaptive immunity means like the immunity which is developed by the body as a defense mechanism to protect against the invader forces, like the alien forces. The thymus gland is a small organ located in the chest between the lungs and the breastbone. The gland increases in size till puberty springs. It's eventually replaced by fatty tissue. This decline in size called involution. The main role of thymus is the production and training of a type of white blood cell called T cells. The T cells are an important part of the immune system that fights infections. The thymus glands also acts like an endocrine organ. So now what they are doing is, by injecting these things, they're actually attacking the heart. So this is a very important thing. It is directly linked to Revelation 9. I mean, 5 months. And they had breastplates of iron, and the sound of their wings was as the sound of chariots of many horses running into a battle. They had tails like scorpions. There were stings in their tails. See, stings. Yesterday, Neo, my friend, made a stinger attack video. You can watch that also. And the power was to hurt men for 5 months. And they had a king over them, which is the angel of the bottomless pit, whose name in Hebrew tongue is Abaddon, but in the Greek it is called Apollyon. One woe is in the past. So Apollyon. Everything is there in the Bible. Try to understand. Okay, friends.